Welcome to the mobile frontier of video creation. In this lecture, I am going to show you how to use InVideo AI application in your smartphone to craft stunning videos effortlessly. Whether you are traveling or you are away from your desk, making professional content has never been so easy. Alright, I will see you on the other side. This is how we craft stunning and compelling videos in your mobile phones by using InVideo AI application. Unfortunately, at the time of recording this lecture, InVideo AI application is only available from iPhone users and not Android users.